Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Will in here with us this afternoon. And Will is 14 years old, and he's coming into us because he's been having a lot of back pain and pain in his feet. He's having some coccygeal pain down in his lower sacrum and coccyx area, which is the tailbone. And he's also been having a lot of tightness in his upper back and neck, as well as some headaches occasionally, well actually once a week. And then some right knee pain as well. And he plays in the band, plays the instrument, so his head's forward and he's got his instrument out in front of him a lot. And his feet hurts when you march a lot, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, and this is your very first time getting a chiropractic adjustment, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to show him what a good old-fashioned chiropractic adjustment looks like on young men. You know, it's never too young to get your spine checked. Even as a baby, the spine and the nervous system are crucial for good health. As we get older, it really helps to develop better and to maintain a state of health as you get older. So we're going to start Will on that journey today. Let's have you close your eyes for me, Will, and bend your head forward and backwards for me, please, sir. And then back to neutral. See, I can tell he's a side sleeper because his head's forward and turned to the left. His ear's dropping out here in front of his clavicle instead of back here over his shoulders. That's why his shoulders are kind of rounding forward a little bit. Now, I've already done his orthopedic neurological evaluation history, so I'm not going to go through that again. The reason I don't do those for you is patient privacy. Is going you tell me? But we do show you the good part, so I'm going to show you some different adjustments that I do on boys and girls his age. Now see, his left leg was short by about a ½ inch. It got even there. That tightened up in your low back and your thighs, didn't it, Will?
Yes.
That's probably tender right there a little bit too. Now, I did a sacral deviation test, which I will show you. Lift this right leg straight up. Okay, now do the same on the left. Was the left one more difficult?
Yes.
Yep, so he has a left sacral deviation test there, which indicates his sacroiliac joint and sacrum are subluxated on the left side. So that's what I'm going to start adjusting. Now, if you've watched my videos for any length of time, you know that I don't normally do side posture adjusting. However, at Will's age, I'm going to adjust him side posture today because his ligaments are still growing and stretching, so I'm not going to create ligamentous laxity by adjusting his SI joints and lumbar spine. As long as you stay within the normal joint range of motion, you're okay with that. Okay, so I'm going to recheck his leg length already. And see, that's already even. Well, this should feel a little easier than the first one already, does it?
Yes.
Okay, good. You're going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this next one. I'm going to put the curve back in your neck. There. Perfect. Yes, sir. Okay, I want you to turn on your right side and face towards me. Slide down the table this way a little bit, please. And let's put your head on that pillow. Let me have this leg here. Okay. Keep your bottom leg straight. Now just relax this. Okay, let's turn the other side up. Okay, keep the bottom one straight. Bottom leg straight. There we go. Okay, now I need your head back here. There you go. Okay. Now, just relax this. There it is. Fell right in place. You feel that?
Yes.
Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please.
You went the opposite way.
Okay, so just let your head relax in my hand. Will, put your hands on your tummy. There you go. Perfect. Good job. Okay, you're going to feel your head bouncing up a little bit. I'm going to pull it up and back. Get your head over your shoulders. Good. Okay, now let's put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. still important to adjust the shoulders, the clavicles, and the anterior costosternal joints. There, okay. Now Will's have some foot problems, so I'm going to adjust his feet today. He's got some pronation in his feet, which diminishes his arch in his feet, so I adjusted his arch, his toes. There's his ankle. You probably felt that all the way up to your low back, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, crack addicts are gonna love you. There you go. Did you feel that one all the way up too?
Yes.
Good man. Okay, let's hit you up face towards your mom there. There we go. Good. You noisy everywhere, aren't you? Okay, let's check this one. Good. Got your hands sweating there. That's the autonomic nervous system working. They control the sudoriferous glands or the sweat glands. Very good. Okay, let's stand you up here and face the mirror again. Alright, I'm going to have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards for me, please, Will. That's already better. Take a look in the mirror right now. See how you're more centered up now and standing up taller?
Mm-hmm.
So here's your homework. You're going to pull your shoulders straight up and back like that. Flare these here. Now see, your head's forward, so we want to bring it straight back this way first, and then look at the wall behind you. Keep those shoulders pinched together. You're going to feel a little tap right there. Another one right there. Okay, relax again. Try that same thing again now. Just relax your arms. Did that feel smoother to you that time?
Yes.
You're right down the middle right now, my friend. Walk around and tell me how your back and feet feel right now compared to when you walked in the door.
I feel really light.
Do you? Good.
Yeah.
Now he's too young to do the manual spinal decompression on, so we're not going to do that on him. His bones are still growing. He has growth plates, so that's why I adjusted him side posture here. Does your back feel better?
Yes.
You feel better than when you walked in the door?
Yes.
So what would you tell all of our YouTube fans about getting your very first chiropractic adjustment?
Oh, it feels great.
Good enough. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, where chiropractic adjustments feel great. We'll see y'all soon.